Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Christine's Creations. How you guys doing today? So as you can see, I've got my color wheel going on here with our color choices for today on a black background. I'm just going to remove this for now. I'm going to do this little trivet. This is a test trivet for colors, and if it turns out good, then I may do something else with it. But the colors are, and as you can see, I have basically three colors. I have a light and a dark green, a light and a dark yellow, and a light and a dark blue. So that's six. So let's get into the technicals of the colors. This is Amsterdam's Sap Green and TLP's Lily Pad. This is Color Art's Sunflower and TLP's Lemon Sorbet. I've got Brilliant Blue and, where'd the lid go? Our African Jade by Color Art. Okay, so I'm gonna clear this away and flood the tile and I'll be right back. I have run into a jam and I don't have Australian Floetrol. So if this works, I'll just tell you what it is. This is the Amsterdam's Black with US Floetrol, 4 teaspoons to 1 teaspoon of black, and then 15 drops of minwax, wood conditioner, the smelly stuff. And that's it. I saw other recipes that included glue. I didn't try that. I'm trying this first. And likes to separate, so I'm just going to make sure that I stir it right before I use it. So black cell activator with fingers crossed, because I need to paint and it's going to be like 2 weeks before I get my Australian Floetrol. So fingers crossed it works. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit here, a little closer view. And I'm going to go light, dark green, light green, dark yellow, dark blue, light blue, in that order. And you guys get to listen to a little music while I do that.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue?
Okay, so I'm gonna give this a try, and I'm gonna try this different spatula, and just trying to figure out like how exactly I want to swipe. If I can go all the way across in one. Usually I do these, and that's what I feel most comfortable with, but I gotta break out of the box, okay? I just feel like I need a change. So I'm mixing this up real good before I put it on my spatula, okay? Trying to see how I can do this. I can't do it on camera. Not gonna work. Okay, that seems like a lot, but let's try it. Wow, ooh, cool. Look at that. Oh my God, it's working. Now they're a different shape like full on. I can see that already, but that's okay. Ah, oh, that stunk. I'm not used to this spatula. Hold on, I'm gonna grab my other one because this small space with that big spatula just isn't gonna work. So, because I just need to get that little bit right there. Not working as well in that spot. Okay, I'm gonna tilt this a little. So it's on my blue. Just want bigger cells. That's some big cells. All right, I actually really like this one. I was kind of going for masculine colors. Yes, this is my version of masculine. You know, blue, yellow, green.
Take off your halo, you're beautiful. I don't care if it tears me apart. We couldn't let go from the get-go. I think we're past trying to hide who we are. Baby, I don't mind you calling. I'm still awake in my bed. Say the things you shouldn't be saying. I don't want you to act like you still have that halo, halo, got the halo. Like you still have that halo, halo, you should let it go. Don't stop, I love it when you touch my skin. No, it's bad, it's bad. I don't care if the walls are caving in right now. I need you to kill off my lonely nights. Otherwise, I'll just put that inside. I can't keep pretending you don't exist. Hate the lies, you know I
Okay, you guys, so these are dry. I don't have resin right now, but I wanted to show you the dry results so reflective. I've got my flashlight on in my camera here, and the green in this one unfortunately sunk. Sorry. But it's great in this one. And this one, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what made me do that, but it looks so cool with the color blocking like that. Well, all of these are color blocking, okay? So this one not, you can't, it's not as obvious. Wish I had a little more blue on this one. The yellow turned gold, which is fine. It's just not screaming yellow like it was when we put it down. And yeah, I'm really happy with this set. This is my trying to paint something that, you know, more masculine. My version of masculine. Because yeah, I'm super feminine and I like the pretty feminine colors, but this is super cool. I think a guy would like this. I don't know what he used a trivet for, but I mean, men use trivets too, right? I mean, who knows? Raise your hand if you're a man and you use trivets, okay? Let me know. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you love this. Please like my video. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already. Go back and watch some of my other videos, and please let me know what you guys think. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye now.